Hey guys, welcome back to the So Vegan Kitchen. We have a very, very exciting recipe for you guys today because we're going to be making a 5-ingredient sweet potato crust pizza.
Yes.
And it's going to be incredible. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video to find out how to do it yourself.
So not sure if you guys know already, but we have a 5-ingredient book coming out at the end of the year. It's called So Vegan in 5 and we have a cheeky copy right here. So over 100 super simple 5-ingredient recipes in here, making it easier than ever before for everybody to eat more plants.
So first things first, we're going to be creating the base, which only has 2 ingredients in it. We're going to be using sweet potatoes and oat flour.
We've got roughly 500 grams of sweet potato here. Ben's just going to peel them and then we're going to roughly chop them and pop them in the steamer. So I'm just going to trim the ends and then roughly chop it into 1 centimetre-ish thick chunks. And then it's going to go straight into our lovely steamer. Get it on a medium to high heat. Lovely.
There you go.
In we go. So we're going to bring this to a proper steam and then leave it for about 20-ish minutes just until it's lovely and soft, because the softer it is, the easier it will be to work and to get into a lovely dough. So here we have 2 cups of oats. We've got rolled oats here. You can use quick cook, whatever you've got in the cupboard. Chuck 2 cups into our blender and blend.
Oh!
Of course, it's super quick. We've created our oat flour. Are you impressed?
Oh.
You blown away.
Mind. Boom.
Blown.
There you go, guys. Oat flour. Really simple.
Done. Right. So we have 20 minutes to chill. Cheers.
That is an
Oh
epic.
no, I've got my tea.
Spillage. Right, how is this sweet potato doing?
On the timer, it's got 4 minutes left, which would, it needs a bit longer.
Do you reckon you can tell, can't you, just by looking at it?
Look at me, potato. You and me together make a pizza.
Have a laugh.
There's no laughs here.
There's no laugh. Don't have fun with it. It's a serious thing.
So should we talk about this mozzarella that you've got? You've literally gone and headhunted the best mozzarella product
Should we give away
there.
Should we give away the secret? The secret is mozzarella.
So the brand is called mozzarella. We'll write it down here. And we found this is the best vegan mozzarella product there is out there at the moment.
Top tip, if you go on their website, they've got like a branch finder.
Yeah,
and you can find out what retailers sell it.
I wouldn't get your nose on this bit because that's where all the heat comes out.
You want to
right,
get about
nostril.
4 inches out. But the trick is blow then sniff.
You love smelling things. Let's have a little... Oh, that is very soft.
Look how soft that is.
Yeah, I think these are perfect.
And look how colourful it is. Oh, give it a little shake, get as much moisture out as possible.
Pop it straight in there. We're going to mash up this sweet potato now so it becomes a lovely puree. This is going to help bind the dough together with the lovely oat flour. Ben, are you feeling strong today? You haven't been to the gym in a while, have you?
I know, exactly.
I feel like this might be a struggle. Don't worry if you can't do it, I'll help.
Yeah.
Lovely.
That looks good. Should we go in with the flour?
Straight in with the oat flour. Cool, so the sweet potato is super hot still, so don't use your hands. Use the masher to mash the sweet potato, and then we're going to use a wooden spoon to stir in everything. And I'm just going to season this as well with a good load of pepper.
Yeah, don't be shy on the pepper.
There we go.
Don't be shy on the salt either. Looking good. And then we're going to go in with a wooden spoon, and we're just going to combine everything together.
This should be a similar texture to a bread dough. So once you've got it kind of a bit tacky, but totally combined, then it's ready. But let's do this. There we go. That's come together really well.
Oh, look at that.
So that is perfect.
So there we go. We've got a nice sort of firm dough consistency. Happy with that?
Perfect. And we've pre-lined a large baking tray, and we're just going to pop the dough on the baking tray.
God, smooth. Take those for me, thank you, assistant.
Pleasure, boss.
So guys, if the dough sticks to your fingers, we've just got a pot of water here. All you need to do is wet your fingers slightly and it'll be a lot easier to then just push this dough into that sort of circular shape that you need for the pizza crust. God, I love this because it's so easy. No kneading, no fussing about. So this is now ready and we're gonna put it in the oven for about 10 minutes.
So we're just going to cook that until it becomes a lovely golden brown and the dough becomes nice and crispy. Cheers.
Cheers. Great, so the crust has been in the oven for about 10 minutes and the edges are getting lovely and crispy, which is exactly what we want. So I think this is ready for the toppings.
Yeah, and there's a lovely golden colour around the edges that's coming up.
The toppings, first we've got the tomato sauce. We've got 100 mils of passata. We're gonna season that with a pinch of salt. And just pour it all over the crust like that. Lovely.
Should I spread it out?
Yes, please.
Spread the lovely tomato sauce all over the base of the pizza.
Don't go right up to the edges. Take it in about maybe a centimetre or two.
Yeah. So here I've sliced 100 grams of mozzarella into circles that are roughly about half a centimetre thick. So we're going to pop this back into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. The cheese should have melted. It's going to be lovely and gooey. There's going to be a lovely colour to the crust, and that's when you know it's going to be ready.
Oh.
Oh.
What are you doing? What are you munching on? Are you snacking before the main event? How dare you? How dare you? Oh, here she is. She's coming back.
Who do you think's stronger, me or you?
Oh.
Maybe we should settle this once and for all. You're already putting the pressure on. No, I think I'm gonna laugh. Okay. 3.
No tickling.
2. 1.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Ah, it's tickling me! I think I was gonna win that, wasn't I? Wow.
Oh, look at that.
That cheese is the best.
That cheese is lovely and gooey.
Spread so well. It's got a lovely little golden touch to it as well.
Yep. So next we're going to garnish with some fresh basil leaves.
Lovely.
Just drop those on. Add a bit of colour as well. Love basil.
A little bit of colour and freshness.
We're going to add some freshly ground black pepper over the top.
Lovely.
And then we're going to finish with
a cheeky drizzle of extra virgin olive oil.
Oh, look at that.
There we go. Delicious.
Perfect. So there you have it. Just 5 ingredients, sweet potato crust, margarita pizza. Should we tuck in?
Should we get a film on as well?
Oh, film night,
Pizza.
date night,
Boom.
pizza.
Done. Can we try it? I'm really excited.
Can we finally eat the pizza?
Yes.
Oh, pizza,
Let's
best
do
thing
it.
in the world.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That was really tasty.
This is genuinely one of my favourite ways to make pizza.
I love this crust as well. It's so crispy.
Yeah.
Could eat this all day. So there you have it, guys. Our super simple 5-ingredient sweet potato based margarita pizza. Absolutely delicious.
And if you love this recipe, then you're gonna absolutely love our debut cookbook, So Vegan in 5. It's got over 100 super simple 5-ingredient recipes. We put our heart and soul into this cookbook. We absolutely love it. And we think you guys will absolutely love it too. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, comment below, and stay tuned and keep your eyes peeled for more recipes coming in the future. Let's dance.
Let's dance, dance, dance. Let's dance, dance, dance.